Hey guys, just want to do a quick little video to show you how everything works on the camper. Just give you like a little virtual tour. So the back here is, you can use that for your little storage area. And this table slides back and forth, so when you're laying in bed, you can use it in bed, or you can slide it to the back when you're cooking. It's got the LED lights in there, they swivel around. It's got a 4-inch thick memory foam mattress, and yeah, so the tires on it, the tires are basically brand new. I mean, the whole trailer is basically brand new. The lights, LED lights in the back. Comes with that little camp shower. You can use it to wash your dishes or use it for shower, washing your hands, whatever. And the top is galvanized steel, so it won't rust. And underneath that, it's got rubber under it. Yeah, you can see how nice the tires are. And then on the front here, it's got this trailer jack, and it's got that spare tire that's actually mounted now. This window, there's a window on both sides. They open and close and just have a little hinge lock on them. Super simple. And then it's the same door on both sides also, and they have a lockable key lock on them. And then on the inside of that door, they have also another little sliding latch lock, so when you're inside. And that solar shower, usually if you're going to take a shower with it, you'll find like a good tree or somewhere high to put it on, but it works pretty good on the back there. Here's the little trailer jack, just showing you how it works. You can go up super easy, go up and down super easy to adjust for your car. And here's the table sliding back. You can actually remove that table too if you don't even want it in there at all. So what's different now, there's actually a shelf on the ceiling back there. Right in that back corner is another shelf that I just built. In the back hatch here, it's got two locks on it, key locks. You can either have it straight up and down for a little more headroom, or you can put it like that so it's kind of an awning when you're cooking back there, in case it's raining or something. So the hatch is super light, closes really easy, and it's got those latches on it, and it's got rubber on the bottom that fit tight over those latches, and then it's got this rubber up top that's underneath the hinge and over the top of the hinge and under the metal up there. That back area, you can throw all your gear, all your bags and stuff. And this is just a little video just to show you the actual size when you're in there. So I'm 6 foot tall, and I got tons of space in there.